Na so over 1,000 students them from the Limpopo University in a Salone we get government scholarship been flop this large conference room na Campbell Street inside Freetown Wednesday, February 19, 2020. As you see, them fine face as young people them been look bitter. Them body movement show see them stress with anger and guts, and them placard them na them hand them been talk for themselves as different concern and question them been right pan them as you see them. Then over 1,000 students here from the Limpopo University don't they slowly turn to drop out them because the government of Salone still they drag foot and they make tire body for pay them school fee them, although then are government sponsored students them. And over 6 months now we college them all over the country don't open. Then students here still a pass na the street them of Freetown as the Limpopo College administration don't lock up on them. Lieutenant will not agree for pay us rent. This na inside one press conference where them students here call and the Citizens Advocacy Network CAN been take the lead for TINAP for them students them here and talk for them. Thomas Mokonte na executive director for CAN.
CAN is deeply concerned over 1,000 students who are holders of government grant in aid scholarship at Limpopo University of Creative Technology are being denied their right to quality education. It is revealed that government, through the Ministry of Technical and Higher Education, has refused to honor the contractual agreements made to assure the education of our Sierra Leonean citizens at this globalized university. It is apparent that weeks of consensuous messages to get authorities to respond to reason have proven futile, and the destiny of our Sierra Leonean youth stands on the balance. CAN wishes to let the government and the people of Sierra Leone know that the students are merely victims in the episode of unconscionable grounds standing. We wish to let the people know that government is continuity. If government could not cancel the toll gate contracts they campaigned about, why should they renege in the education of citizens?
Marcus Bangura, na executive director for Democracy Salone, himself been get this for sake of the funny but same way so sorry situation with them over 1,000 Salone students here na the Limpopo University they now.
Injustice anywhere is injustice everywhere. So you are now caught in a web of injustice. And it is the onus or the responsibility of government to doubly redouble its efforts and stand tall like political giants or colossus to ensure that your problems are solved. Government is continuity. Government is continuity. The government today is very proud of certain developments that they inherited, but they have claimed them. For example, look at the hospitals. The Kiama Road Hospital. It was grabbed, it was claimed, and that is what we expect, that it should be in a form of continuity. The former government endeavored to ensure that they create this kind of opportunity, and you guys benefited from it. But it's frustrating. It pierces the hearts if you are unable to complete this particular course that you have started.
Mohamed Lamin Fula, they lead all the students here. We say government look don't deny them their right to education, and they been get this for sake in and encompassing them.
Mr. Chairman, though it has been challenging for us as students, after every semester there must be issue with our university. The 2019 and 2020 academic year supposed to start last year November, but until now as I speak, we are ready to resume classes while still waiting for memorandum from the university administration to resume classes. The essence of this press conference is to draw the attention of the President, His Excellency retired Brigadier Julius Maada Bio, the President of the Republic of Sierra Leone and concerned citizens to intervene in making sure that we resume classes soonest.
Black TV Online been try to get the side of the Ministry of Tertiary Education, but not been able to get them. But inside Radio Democracy, then Good Morning Salon program Friday, February 21, the Financial Secretary na the Ministry of Finance, Sajusu, say the Limkokwing University no get proper arrangement with the government of Salone, as the Memorandum of Understanding with this university been signed with the Ministry of Education that same day under the APC government not been go through the right process. For sake of this, make the Financial Secretary Sajusu say the Limkokwing University a private university and not get priority for government when you consider the amount of copper when about $1.2 million with government for pay for them students here at the Limkokwing University every year.
No, it's not about the MOU that we are paying, we are not paying. It's about priorities. If we get about 20,000 students at Fabe College, University of Sierra Leone, and it's Microba University, Jala, Mitimagai. And I will believe, say, when we pay 5 billion, 10 billion, and it goes out 24,000 students. We not go left those 10,000 students when they did at their universities. We can't pay all that money to students, they wait about 200. So in that case, we are going to reprioritize. Because we for operate as a private university. It live on the young. Now, so they happen all over the world.
The administration at the Limkokwing University still not come out clear one yet on waiting and think but government position. But it clear now say the Limkokwing University self don't put them foot down. Say no government students no go attend this university if government not pay for them. Still, no light no day yet for bring up to the over 1,000 students them at the Limkokwing University in a Salone and then continue for the past at the street of Freetown. As they accompany them, they continue with them book learning. For Black TV Online, me na Abdullah Black the report.